Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and you can see a change in me, right? So today I am going to tell you my first time hair color experience, what was my experience, what I learned from that, and how I am feeling basically. So if you want to watch it, make sure you watch till the end, and you can subscribe and like this video. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So now let me tell you how I did it. So my hair is like pretty thin. You can see the quality of my hair. It is pretty thin and pretty straight. Doesn't feel that good. Like, I have a good hair type. I will not say that my hair type is very dry, very damaged. No, I haven't colored my hair since it's been 5 years. I haven't colored my hair and never applied color myself on my hair. This is the first time in all of these hair I dyed my hair, and I was really apprehensive that what will happen. I watched almost all the video on that particular hair color. I was very confused, but I saw Amia's video and I also saw Prakriti Singh's video. She has also done a hair transformation video, so I thought let's try this because she said that raspberry red of Garnier will suit people with warm skin tone, and you see I am pretty warm skin tone, and my and her skin tone matches a bit, so that's why I thought of trying this one. And my hair was pretty dark. It's because it did not have any color. My hair was pretty bland, and it's very plain, very simple. So I thought of, first of all, I was thinking that I should color my hair in some brown color, some lighter brown, but then I don't know, I sort of inclined towards burgundy color, burgundy family, so I thought of giving this a try. So then I searched about burgundy color. So many people said that when they used burgundy color, their hair color did not change, and I wanted to have pretty visible color change on my hair, so it's no use of applying color if you don't see the result. So then I saw many videos who said that if you use raspberry red or plum red of Garnier, you will get a desired color. So I thought of doing that. Now let me tell you how I did it. As you will see in the process, I will explain you. First you see the process, how I did that, and then I am going to tell you what I feel, how my color turned up. First you see the process, what all is there in the packet and how all.
So guys, you will get a developer. This is the second step, and the first you will be getting this one. This is cream, this is the main cream, and that is the developer. You also get one conditioner. So what you are also getting conditioner and plastic gloves inside this packet. Then you will need a brush. This is not mandatory, and then I'm going to mix these two. Now I'm going to part my hairs, and if you have any type of tangle or anything, just detangle your hair, because that is very necessary. You are supposed to make your hair smoother so that the application is much easier. And then I have parted my hair. Now here I am applying rubber band, but then I will also do something else. So make sure you are using the gloves. Never ever use your bare hand to apply. And guys, I am just applying it randomly, like no process, nothing. Yes, you will require a towel or any kind of cloth so that your clothes are not stained. Also, I will suggest you to use Vaseline on sides of your face so that the color does not get applied on your face and do not taint your face. So I am taking section by section. So my hair is pretty thin, so I got it done by I think 20 minutes. It just took me 20 minutes. And now I am going to apply the color. So I didn't want any color near my face area, so that is why I am not applying too much. I'm just going to apply specifically on the lower part more. I'm doing nothing, I'm just applying it randomly. You can see, if you want to be more specific you can, but I just did it just like that. So, and also this color was enough for application. And now I have secured my hair. Now I have left it for 30 minutes and then washed it. So on wet hair also the color is visible, if you can see. Just wanted to give you guys a look when my hair is wet, how it is going to look. Now I have blow dried my hair and you can see the color, right? And it is looking pretty nice and very faded, very rough kind of look is there, and that's what I like. I don't like chunky and too much of hair color. So the color is pretty visible on my hair. It is not red, but it is too pretty, too pretty. Loved it. I mean, guys, seriously, you should try this sometime. And my hair did not even become dry. And can you see the transition? Somewhere it is red, somewhere it is black.
As you
Really
saw,
like
I
it.
applied the color in no particular order because I wanted a balayage kind of effect on my hair. But yeah, so I kept that color for 30 minutes because I was really scared if my hair turned red. So I did not wanted a red color. I didn't want a red color. So I wanted a pretty fade of color, which I think pretty much I have got that fade of color. If you see, the color is visible till here. If you see, I will insert clips of sunlight. Actually, I did not go into sunlight exactly, but you will get an idea how my hair is looking. So you see, the color is pretty nice here. So I didn't want any color on my face area. Like I did not want that my strands of this hair looks pretty red or anything like that, because I was scared how it is going to look. So I just did like this. You saw that I did not follow any order. I just went like कुछ भी किया मैंने, हाँ बस कर लिया. And then in 15-20 minutes I dyed my hair, and if you see, my hair is pretty long. Now I did not apply the color on the roots. I will tell you the reason, because my mom used to use this Garnier one, and I have seen her hair going very dry and very rough. So, and also I was very scared if my hair started falling, so I did not apply it on the roots. So that is why I just applied on the length, a little bit of here. As you can see, you will see the color is pretty visible. And if you are thinking that you will get that red sort of color on your dark hair, I don't think so that is possible, because that is only possible when you have pre-bleached your hair, or if you have light hair like light brown or so, then the color will be more visible. But if you have pretty dark hair like me, it will be visible like this. And it turned really nice on my hair, because I saw so many videos. Many people said that it is not going to turn that way, so expect a very light fade of color, and that's what exactly I was looking for, and I got that. So raspberry red, I am going to insert the picture of the box which I got. I threw it away because of, these days we cannot keep the carton and boxes with us for so many reasons. That's why I just threw it. But I ordered the raspberry red one. And also I was thinking to color my hair in mahogany brown. It is from Bibland, but it did not arrive, so the Garnier one arrived first, so I just did it. And I am pretty happy with the effect. I am really happy with the effect, I will not lie. So if you're looking for a fade of color, this color is really nice, really good. Look at that change of color, and you can see that my hair is looking flat and a little bit of greasy. That is because I applied Vaseline all over here, all over my neck. So that's why that Vaseline, I think it has transferred, because I applied pretty good layer of it, because I did not want to stain my face or so. So that's the thing. And one more thing, I also got a conditioner. I think I haven't shown you that. I also got a conditioner, and I applied that on my hair, and my hair became very, very silky, very, very smooth, and there is a shine which is coming. And I'll not lie, my hair was good earlier also, because I used to apply so many things and I did not have a haircut, so you will see that I have split ends and that. But yeah, this is pretty much how it looks like. And regarding gray coverage, I don't know, you have to be very particular, because I have bit of gray hair here, but few of the hair strands, they are not covered, so you have to be very particular if you want to cover your gray hair. My main concern was not gray hair, I just wanted to change the color of my hair, and that's what I did, and I am happy with it. So guys, I think that was about it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys want to see this look right here, you should head over to my Instagram, because I do so many stuffs there, so you can go and follow me there. So yeah, that is about it. How will I rate this? So I will rate it according to me. I loved it. I will rate it 100% because it worked for me. So if you, I don't know what kind of color you are looking for, but I was looking for this kind of color only, and it was pretty visible when I was washing my hair also. It is so weird, but it was visible at that time also. So yeah, that's about it. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment if you guys want to see such kind of video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Hope you guys liked it, and I am really liking my new color. Yeah, bye.